My next step on this chair is to pad the edge of the frame. I'll start out with a muslin strip laid out with a 1.5 inch tack line. My tack line will be a 1/2 inch from the edge of the frame. I'll use this stick to press toe fiber down inside this roll I've started. I'll work with it, get it all evenly stuffed. I'm keeping the weave in the fabric, running parallel and straight lines both directions, pushing the toe in and evening it up with a squeeze. In order to make it around this corner, I need to take up a pleat or two. It's always important to keep the weave straight, and then you can judge where to pinch up the pleat. I'm going to put just a little bit of stuffing in there to give me a start on the shape. And find out where I want to put that pleat. Looks like it might take 2. Alright, I'll try starting with that. Alright, that's going to work out okay. Alright, that's a wrap on the edge roll.